ga-atụrụ m setin na setin dị ọka. Onye ga-atụrụ m setin na setin dị ọka.
Madam, take care of this food.
This is the song that you always and normally sing whenever you happen to meet us during morning devotion. And during those morning devotion, you will always inspect us to see if we dress well and correctly to school. Today, we, the pupils of Arochukwu and Primary School, Mgboro Akata, are receiving you into our school premises, funded by you, to pay you our last respect. You are a great woman, mother of our children. We will miss your drama, and we will also miss you there, because you cared for us. Rest well, our mother, till we meet to talk no more. We will never forget you in our lives, for your memory will ever live with us. You have raised a lot of prominent people all over the world. Chicken so open. Sign on behalf of Arochukwu and Primary School.
I know you're saying, "Kodori, never been son of." When I do, even the running, even this. Madam, I guess I know she can't come. Yanina, I will need a Ronello. Chineke goes there, but what I don't know. He said, I naked Chineke. Oh, yeah, ma. Oh, yeah, I